Hi everyone, let's see how we can fix the missing PCI Memory Controller driver or PCI Simple Communications Controller. So the steps are same for both. Simply right click over it and click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers, then select this option. Now scroll down and find System Devices. Select it and click on Next. Under Manufacturer, scroll down and select Intel. Now under Model, find PCI Controller. Select it. If you don't see PCI Controller in your system, then scroll down and select Power Management Controller and proceed ahead with it. Now selecting PCI Controller, click on Next, click on Yes, and that's it. The missing driver will get installed. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.